Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary. Yes, it's binary time. In this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, October the 10th, 2022, I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku. Well, this one seems not the 4 stars, but the 2 stars, and we have two puzzles left: the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, sugu. But it's now time for the binary. Yes, binary puzzle. Number, this will be number 5308. 5308. Before I start, yes, I want to count the boxes because I want to know what kind of binary puzzle is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. Well. Now I'm stuck. Well. Okay, now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Well. What's happening? Do you need to compare? Yeah, I need to compare now. For this column and that column. Empty box. 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And now. 1, 2, 3. Compare again. Well, that's the question. Well, this row and that row. Look to the O's. Here we have an O. There we have an O. And here we have an O. I cannot place the O there. Otherwise, we have the same row. Identical row. So here should be a 1 and that box should be an O. Okay. Double 1. Here no. There no. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Double O. Here 1. There 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Need to compare again. A lot of comparing here. Well, no. How about? Yeah. This row and that will 11001100 empty box 0011. We need to switch those two digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. A lot of comparing. I believe 3 times comparing, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet you again in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.